Hi there, it's George here, and today I will start a new adventure with seeds, and this time about Pinus Siberica cheddar, uh, you know, 50 seeds from a buy, and I guess these seeds are fresh, but we'll see after 3 months when I will take off. I will put the seeds to stratification process in the fridge, and that's it, and I will have to wait, but I write really quick, and that is inspiring me. So I found that these are like very medicinal kind of nuts producing pine trees, like this variety that growing in Siberia, like Pinus Siberica. This is the scientific name. And why not start this adventure, and I will have to put these seeds here in the moss sphagnum to do stratification process. That's it. Let's try to do stratification process on these seeds first. Now let's open this. So here looks like this Pinus Siberica seeds, and remain only to add moss in water and squeeze and place the seeds in it. It's quite enough. I waited to soak well this moss, and in that time I wrote the date when I will take off from the refrigerator, Now let's squeeze the moss. Now we will have to add these seeds into the moss. This remaining moss I will add above. So I guess it's good, and now we have to cover it. Here we go. Now I have to put this glass with moss and seeds in the refrigerator, and it'll stay 3 months. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned on my channel, and yeah, I will catch you next time. George was here. Have an amazing springtime, and I will do a video when it will germinate, and another videos during these 3 months. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.